Welcome to the Northern Water Sports Center and the Sudbury Canoe Club Safety Clinic on Sea Kayaks. In this video, we review what to expect in this clinic and how you should prepare to get the most out of it, including what to wear and what the clinic will cover. When you arrive, you'll be checked in and your payment will be confirmed. If you have not paid for the clinic yet, those details will be settled before we start. Start time is 6 p.m., so you should plan to arrive at least 15 minutes before that. After changing into appropriate clothing and confirming your payment, we'll start with introductions and how to choose your equipment, including PFD, skirt, and paddle.
We'll practice simple paddle techniques before we get on the water, with a little bit of dry land training.
We then move into selecting and setting up your kayak for paddling and how to enter and launch the kayak.
Proper technique for lifting and launching your kayak are emphasized.
From there, we move on to strokes,
essential strokes like turning and forward stroke. Stopping and reverse.
and finally rescues.
We'll practice managing and maneuvering kayaks with our hands on, so we're ready before we get wet.
Rescues include dumping or turning over your kayak, and then working with a partner to get back in deep water. Participants can get anxious about this step, but don't worry, it's relatively easy and everyone is much more confident and relaxed once they've experienced and completed this basic skill. There are lots of different ways to do it, and although it can be challenging, with a little practice, you can master it. The rescues usually happen near the end of the evening, when the sun is low and the air temperature is cooling off. This is why we strongly recommend you wear the wetsuits provided. You'll be much less anxious and prepared with one on. When you're done, you're good to go enjoy paddles on the lake, or move on to other events the club has to offer, like day trips. Or maybe even more advanced paddling techniques and certifications. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to meeting you at the Sudbury Canoe Club.